Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on Snapchat. You know how to fix or how to solve the problem of queue on Snapchat? You should just go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then you will enter to the window or to the app of Snapchat and you click here in this page. Then this list of app info, we click on first app and we click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Snapchat. You can update your app here in this blue sign as you see. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention.